You haven't joined, but that's okay. We'll get started. So, what were we discussing in the yesterday's class?
Yesterday we have discussed engagement, how to improve engagement.
User engagement, right? User engagement, okay. And we also discussed the four different types of SEO, right?
Yes.
On-page SEO, site level,
Site link.
technical SEO, and off-page SEO. Yeah, and we have learned the definitions of each of this as well. If you all could recall, we learned the definition of each of this as well. Let me quickly share the screen. Do you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in order to optimize the website, the first thing that we did was understanding how search engines function, right? So now, second thing is one more important thing that you all have to understand to get started with the optimization is how the web pages are considered to show up on Google for various keywords or terms. Okay, so let's take a simple example. So, for example, if you try to search my contact on your phone as digital, everybody listening carefully, right? If you try
Yes.
to search my contact on your phone as digital, you may not find my contact on your phone, correct? But the moment when you type Manju or Manjunath, you might see the contact, correct? Why is that so?
Because we saved your number on this name.
Correct. So what should you be doing if the contact has to show up when you search for digital also?
We have to like it's a right keyword or something.
So we have to incorporate the term as well. So just by typing digital also, my contact would show on your mobile phone, correct? So the same applies here as well. So the simple understanding here is, so the contact is showing up only when such term exists in the contact list. When you are saving it with the respective names, correct? Same way, your web page, any web page pertaining to your website, look at this Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore. So, look at this, it's showing up on Google because the exact term exists in the page, correct? Do you all see that? Everywhere it's showing up digital marketing for digital marketing training or training institute, whatsoever it is, that particular term exists on the page. Three, four, five. Sorry, anybody speaking? Okay. So you all understand it shows up on Google only when such term exists on your web page. So if I go to this web page, the web page consists of this term. For example, digital marketing training in Bangalore. See, look at this. It exists. How many times? Two times. Correct? So if you expect this web page to show up on Google for digital marketing course in Bangalore, you have to make sure that such term exists on your page. It's written as courses. So digital marketing course also exists on your web page. Digital marketing institute. So digital marketing institute also is there on the page. Are you all understanding this, guys? Everybody? So if this file or this web page has to show up on Google for different types of keywords, it should consist of those keywords. Correct? Clear? But how do you
So how
know?
will we? So
Yeah.
how will we come to know which keyword is correct for what
Yes,
exactly?
that's what I was about to get started with. So now it's important to understand which all keywords are related to this web page. See, if you understand this web page is all about digital marketing training, correct? So digital marketing training, people search it as digital marketing, digital marketing. Okay, so what we do is, see now, to find a digital marketing training institute, you would Google digital marketing course, and somebody else would search digital marketing training, and someone else will search digital marketing institute,
Classes.
digital marketing classes, correct, digital marketing online, digital
Digital
marketing
marketing.
virtual, sorry,
Coaching also could be
yes,
searched.
yes, 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 correct, digital marketing coaching. So these are the different terms, or maybe more than this. People might use lot many terms, few tens or few hundreds of terms to find any product or service that they are looking for. Okay. Here two big questions. Two big questions, right? Number one, how do we know how the product or service is searched on Google? Correct.
Hmm.
Here, this one we have guessed it, correct? We have guessed it, or probably we know what this digital marketing is, and it's easier to guess or identify the patterns or terms used in finding that service or product, correct? But let's say if it is something else, somebody wants to eat ice cream. How do people search on Google? Buy ice cream, order ice cream. We don't know, right? These are the, for sure people are going to use these two terms, and apart from this people would use few tens of other terms. Okay, so that's the first question. How do we know the product or service is searched on Google? And second question is, how do we understand which one is most used, and how do we prioritize, or maybe I'll put it as third question, which one should be prioritized to optimize the web page, correct? These are the three biggest questions around the keywords. We know people are using this, but which one should you be prioritizing on your web page, website, content, everywhere, correct? So to address all of this, we have a tool called Google Keyword Planner. Are you all following me?
Yes, sir.
Google Keyword Planner. Okay. So this Google Keyword Planner gives solution for these three questions, right? So let's go to the Google Keyword Planner tool and understand. Yeah. See now, Google Keyword Planner, you have to visit ads.google.com. Anybody can visit this portal called ads.google.com. Okay, you just have to provide your email ID and you can sign up an account for free. You don't have to pay anything, and anybody with email ID can sign up for a Google Ads account. Yeah, everybody understood? You all can sign up a Google Ads account for free. Okay, so once you sign up, so to the left side you will see something called as tools. So when you click on it, you will get to see Keyword Planner. So click on the Keyword Planner and you will get to see an input field where you can input. Maybe I'll do it once again. Yeah. So you have to input like this. You can select the location or region also. So tell me, what is that you are keen to know, for what kind of business, product or service or content you are keen to know how it's been searched.
Ice cream parlor.
Then that's all. Excuse me. So
Ice
what
cream shop.
we have, yeah, sorry,
Ice cream shop near me.
ice cream. We would have already seen that coming in here. Anyways, we will put ice cream flavors. Okay, let's input just to get results. So Bangalore, Karnataka, we have taken the location as Bangalore. See, just with one input, you had got around 500, 600 keywords, and with two inputs, you have got 1400 keywords now. So you just gave a term called ice cream parlor, ice cream shop, two terms, and it gave you so many ideas. It's helping you to understand how it's all being searched on Google. Hello top ice cream, Asden does ice cream shop near me, best ice cream near me, best ice cream shop, good humor ice cream, Ben and Jerry's ice cream, rum raisin ice cream. You see that? And these two keywords which we have, yeah, sorry.
Sir, among all these many, how to select few?
Yeah, I'll come there. I'll come there. Just see, look at this, observe this. So, ice cream shop has been searched 2,900 times every month from Bangalore alone, and 8,800 searches. These are average searches. Some months, so for example, during summer, the number of searches is very high. See, 1,600 searches during summer, up to summer, and now it's dropping. See, November just 500. So, same thing. And 7,000 searches in the month of June. Yeah, I'll come there. So now this tool is helping us to identify a lot of keywords related to ice cream. Okay. So now our research, we call this as keyword research. Our research is not yet complete. So keyword research is first to identify or figure out how is your business being searched on Google. Okay. So desert shop is related. I'll input desert shop as well. And vegan desert shop. No, not frozen foods is not related to ice cream. And the milk desert shop is related. Get results. Just ice cream you can. Okay, anyways, so we have 2328 keywords. Still it's not complete. So what we do is we download this file. We are going to download this file and sort ice cream shop near me. Maybe I can input this keyword ice cream shop near me. So maximum up to 10 keywords you can update here. And if you want to input beyond that, it's going to be the next new iteration. So you're going to download all of this 2000, 3000 keywords which you have received, right? 3159 keywords. So how many are inputted? Let's say 8. You can input few more keywords. Ice cream places near me, desert places near
Best
me.
ice cream. Best ice cream near me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. You can input 3 more. Yeah. Let me just input ice cream.
Good. Normal ice cream.
3,974. Yeah, close to 4,000 keywords, correct? So now if I'm scrolling through this, I'll find a lot of keywords. Coconut ice cream. Okay, so if you want to input more keywords, you do one more iteration. So now we'll download this 4,000 keywords and we will sort it by volume, highest to lowest. The descending order, highest volume will be in the first and lowest volume will be the last. We will download, yeah, you can download this like this .csv. Are you all getting it? So now once you have the keywords, let me okay. So I must have yeah. So now I have taken all India search volumes, desert shop, best desert near me. You got 4,000 keywords already. See, across India, look at the number of searches happening across India. 40,000 searches for ice cream shop, ice cream online, 1900 searches, ice cream near me, 1,65,000 searches. Do you all see that? Ice cream delivery near me, Baskin Robbins near me, 60,500 searches.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Sorry,
The screen is not visible for me.
screen is not visible. Anjum, even you don't see the screen?
No, sir, I can see the screen.
So your computer seems to have a lag, Mohit. Ice cream shop near me. Do you see the screen now?
No.
Shivu, do you see the screen? Mohit, it's your internet issue. Your screen is stuck, your internet issue.
Okay.
Okay. So close to 5,000 keywords. Milk desert shop. 4,900 keywords. So this way you can input as many keywords as you want. See, first step is you have to do a very detailed keyword research where you will be identifying everything related to your business, and this is not really complete still. Okay, so when you start updating more and more keywords, and when you do this activity few tens of times, your keyword list can be as huge as 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh keywords also. 10,000 keywords or 20,000 keywords or 50,000, 1 lakh. So it varies from domain to domain, industry to industry. Are you all getting it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you're going to download this. Yeah. So look at this sheet. Look at the data that you are seeing on the sheet here. So you have nearly 5,000 keywords. Okay, and these are average monthly searches. Average of the time period that you have selected, by default it is 12 months. You see here, some months 60,000 and few months it's just 27,000, 74,000 during. See, look at this, during summer the number of searches for ice cream was significantly high. You all know the reason why, correct? So you have the information now. Average of this 12 months is 40,000. 40,000 searches per month on an average. And ice cream online 1900 and ice cream near me 1,65,000. This is the search volume. And in the recent 3 months, this is the change, growth. 22% growth in number of searches happening on Google for this keyword. Okay, and this is year on year change. So last year to this year, 22% people started searching, more number of people started searching for ice cream shop. That is 22% increase. And competition for it is very low. High, see, competition is low, medium and high. Okay, so competition score will be assigned in the index range of 1 to 10, 0 to 10. So up to 3.3 it's considered to be as low. Sorry, it's actually 95. Okay, 0 to 100, 0 to 100 and up to 33.3. The competition, if the competition index value is less than 34, it's considered to be as a low competition. If the competition index value is above 33 and less than 66 or less than 67, it's considered to be as medium. But here it is 35. This is wrong. And above 66 it's considered to be as high. So wherever it is high, you could see the number, it's very high. See, even 67 is high. Okay, and apart from that, in case if you want to show ads pertaining to this keyword on Google, you may have to pay this much money. Ice cream shop near me. So if you want to show ads, if somebody clicks on your ads, the lowest amount that gets charged for the business is 12 rupees and highest is 66 rupees. There are no ads. There are no ads. In case if you're running ads, the lowest, we call it as cost per click. Maybe something like this. I'll show it to you. Yeah, to show ads like this. Okay, see, when you are showing ads like this, if someone clicks on your website's results, let's say I'm clicking on this, now Google is charging this company certain amount, bangaloredigitalmarketing.com, and Google is charging them this amount. The minimum is 11.80 and maximum is 66, and now it must have charged somewhere in between based on the bid adjustments that particular company made. So if you want to show ads like that on Google, it would cost you anywhere between this to this. Is that clear, guys? Everybody? If someone clicks on it, automatically Google detects, the Google Ads platform detects the respective amount. So it works like your prepaid SIM card, like back to a decade. You all know how it was, right? Per minute it was charging you 1 rupee, correct? Or for every 6 seconds some paisa, correct? So when you speak for 10 minutes, 10 minutes into 1 rupee, it's going to charge 10 rupees. Same way here, it's instead of minutes, it's going to be clicks. So per click, Google is going to charge, let's say 100 rupees here in this case for digital marketing training. Yeah. So Google is going to charge 100 rupees per click, and whenever somebody clicks on your website results, Google will charge you 100 rupees or whatsoever the amount it is. Clear? Everybody? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now that is how ads work, but we are discussing about the organic activities, correct? So the immediate step from us is we are going to group the keywords. See, now there are around 5,000 keywords. See, 4,906 keywords, correct? You cannot incorporate all of these keywords to one single page, correct? You must be desperate to show up your website for all of these keywords on Google. But practically, is it possible to incorporate all of these terms to one single page and expect it to show up on Google? It doesn't. So what we do is now we are going to group them. We are going to group them and we are going to create the web pages accordingly, or we will assign the keywords to existing web pages accordingly. So for example, I'll pick all the keywords. Dry fruit, ice cream. Let's see if there are any keywords. Dry fruit ice cream is there. So I'll call this as category. So I'll call this as dry fruit. Are you all understanding this what I'm doing now? This contains all apple, pineapple, okay? So I'll call it as pineapple first. If I just put all these are pineapple. Are you all understanding what I'm doing? All these are related to pineapple. So if you all could understand what I have done, see I have grouped the keywords pertaining to this 3 products. We have 54 keywords. So now instead of me updating all of these keywords to one page, I'm going to create a separate page called yogurt ice cream, pineapple ice cream, yeah, apple ice cream. Are you all getting it? Now you might own a website called ABC ice cream, ABC ice cream.com. This is your website. Now what I do on this website, your homepage might contain keywords like ice cream shop or buy ice cream online, something like that, correct? But inside you will have pineapple ice cream, pineapple ice cream. Are you all understanding this, everybody? So this way I'll be creating n number of pages based on the segregation of the categorization that I do. Yeah, clear? Now next thing, so when you take Apple alone has so many keywords. How do you pick the best keywords for Apple web page? Let's say you have an Apple web page on your website. How do you pick? So Apple cake bakery, this is not relevant. Apple cucumber or select all. Yeah. So ice cream shop, I'll pick. I'll show you how do I pick the best keywords for my home page. So what I'll do is I'll just go to my home page. See, look at this ice cream shop. Ice cream is common everywhere, right? And what is that changing is shop, online, near me, correct? So dessert shop, shop is already covered. Probably I will go with best desserts near me. Ice cream shop near me. I can remove this one also because it's the same thing. Look at this one and the first one are same. See, first one is subset of this one. Since I have written near me already here, so I'm going to eliminate this, or you can eliminate this also. No redundancy. Milk desert shop. Milk desert shop is not there. Or you can eliminate this. Ice cream delivery near me is not there. Delivery is a new term. So I can have ice cream delivery near me. I will remove shop because shop is covered in the first keyword here. Desert near me is covered here in this. Look at this. Desert near me is covered. So I will launch it as a separate page. So I will remove this one and Baskin Robbins. I can launch that one also as a separate page. Ice cream cake. This is not about the cake. This is purely about the ice cream. Häagen-Dazs ice cream is a brand again. Hello ice cream, no. So this way, ice cream places near me. Places near me is not there. So ice cream near me is there. Ice cream places near me. Places is not covered. So probably what I can do is I will remove this and I will retain this. Ice cream near me and places near me both gets covered in it. Correct? I'll remove this one also. And order ice cream online is not there. Order ice cream at all is order is not at all there. So let us retain order. So sweets, carrot cake, veg ice cream near me, vegan. So we can launch this as a separate page, vegan ice cream, or if you decide to show up for this page, you can retain this. Soft red velvet cake near me, best ice cream near me, desert places, best ice cream scoop, good humor ice cream. We have covered all of these things. This is brand, this is brand, delivery or delivered synonym covered, roller ice cream near me, rolled ice cream. Again, we will create a new page called rolled ice cream. See, for the home page, see the front page of your website is called as home page. For home page, you can allocate all of these keywords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can assign 7 to 10 keywords for your page. Are you all getting it, everybody? And now always make sure that these keywords are sorted by volume, highest volume first. So now for now let's assume this is the highest volume or reorder them with the highest volume. Here highest volume is ice cream near me. Ice cream near me. We usually sort it in the Excel sheet before we copy itself like this. Data sort Z to E. Oh, sorry, something went wrong. Next highest volume as ice cream shop. Yeah, ice cream shop near me, and this is fine. Ice cream online. Ice cream desert near me. Ice cream online best. Okay, so let's assume this is the order or the sequence. Did you all understand how do we pick the keywords for the page? First thing is,
if needed, we can also change the keywords, right?
no. See, you have so many options, right? You know.
Yeah,
See,
after entering the keywords, in case if we want to change any keywords, we can do. Can we do that?
yes. You can anytime go to your web page and change the keywords or do whatever you want. Okay. Yeah. So for now, so when you have few tens of keywords, so the first method is sort by volumes. Always pick the highest volume keywords, and from the highest volume keywords also eliminate duplicacies or redundant keywords, or which are basically the subset of the parent keyword. Okay, and pick only one. See now, shop me near me is a unique, shop, online, delivery, order, right? I can remove this again, probably we can launch a separate page. So even if there are 100 keywords, from 100 keywords I'm going to finalize some 6 to 10 keywords maximum. Okay, so using these keywords I'm going to write title and I'm going to write meta description. See, this two will go in the head section of the web page. If you look at this here. So what you write shows up here on Google, title, and this is meta description. You will not see both of this anywhere on the web page. You will not see those two things anywhere on the website. This will be in the head section of your HTML page, and mostly this is an information for the Google bot or for the browsers or for search engines, right? So here, so do you all remember HTML has head section and body section? See, title is here and your description is here, meta name description, and now control F body. So whatever you see from here is starting from here, from the left top. So whatever is seen by the real users starts from the body section of the HTML, that is from here, and something that is hidden, that is information or the instruction or the command for search engines, goes in the head section of the HTML. You see that here, head section, head is starting here, head is starting here, yeah. Head is starting here and it's getting closed here, head. And in the head there will be, whatever goes in the head is not visible here in the front. Whatever goes starts from the body is visible on your web page, right? And in the head section you are going to update a title and description. This is like the cover page of the book, title of the book. This tells what is this complete page going to be about. What is this complete page going to be about? This complete page is going to be about digital marketing training. So that's what you see here. Digital marketing training institute in Bangalore. And description is also been written for the page. An agency-based practical training consultant with around 13 years of experience. So it's just picking some description from the page. Okay. So now you have to write the title and description using your keywords: title, description, H1, H2, and keyword optimized content. These four things, 1, 2, 3, 4 things are written using your keywords. Title is here, what you see here, or what you see here is a title, and what you see here is a description. And this is H1. And what you see at the bottom of the page is a keyword optimized content. What you see here is all keyword optimized content. See, this file doesn't show up on Google until unless all those keywords are incorporated on your web page, and hence you are incorporating. You can not only there, you can incorporate digital marketing training in Bangalore anywhere here, or digital marketing training Bangalore anywhere here in this content also, wherever you want. But just that this file should have all those terms whichever you are targeting. So if you are targeting all these keywords, you have to make sure all these keywords are used somewhere on the web page. If you are writing a content, you will write using those keywords so that this file shows up on Google for all of these variations. It's going to meet, there is no guarantee that it's going to show on Google for all of these keywords, but then it is meeting the first criteria. It is meeting the first criteria of showing up all of these terms on Google, the web page on Google. But there is no guarantee it will show up on the Google. In order to it to show up on the Google, our website has to meet multiple criteria. Basically, it has to meet the criteria of good crawl frequency, CTR, and engagement. Are you all following it, guys? Using these keywords, I have to write. Always, let's assume this is the first highest volume keyword, or whichever keyword, highest volume keyword. So always start it with highest volume keyword, and always all the words, the first alphabet has to be in the capital. So digital marketing course online training pipeline, this has to be less than 70 characters. So as of now it is 40 characters. I'll just delete this to read the characters properly. So by up to here to the left bottom you can see 44 characters and I can go up to 70 characters. So digital marketing course is covered, training is covered, online is also covered, right? So majority of the keywords covered. See, it may not be possible to cover all the variations. Cover the main high volume variations. So you have covered main high volume variations: digital marketing course, online training institute. Meanings will be sometimes grammatical. It may not look correct. So how many characters? 54 is done. And now you need to have one attention grabbing element. Let's say 100% practice based or 100% placement assured. Correct? If somebody is taking digital marketing, they look for practical exposure or maybe they look for the placement assistance, right? 100% placement assistance. So it's 68 characters and I'll just stop it here. You see here left bottom 68. So this is called as CTR trigger or anything can be CTR trigger. So maybe me writing 50 percentage discount is very attractive. People are price centric. So 50% discount is going to be super attractive. So this is called a CTR trigger. This is what is making people to click on the search results on Google. Okay. Did you all get that? See now when will people click on all this? When it is catchy, right? The moment they see 50% off, you're planning to buy a pair of shoe. The moment you see 50% off, the chance of you clicking on it is very high. Correct, everybody? Correct? But for training institutes, the pain point is not necessarily 50% off, even that might work, but main goal is placement or maybe practical exposure. If you're buying a mobile phone, maybe a warranty can be an attractive thing, that's the biggest pain point, or no charging at all for the lifetime, or front camera working highest megapixels, or maybe a discounted price, flat 10% off or discount on the mobile phone. Anything can be a triggering element and we call them as CTR triggers. And always make sure that there is one CTR trigger in your title. Did you all understand the guidelines? The length of your title has to be less than 70 characters. Always start with the highest volume keyword. Try to incorporate as many keywords, patterns, we call them as patterns, course, training, institute, classes, all patterns. Try to incorporate as many patterns as possible. Okay, do not have grammatical mistakes. Have an appropriate delimiter instead of using comma, semicolon, ampersand and special characters. Always prefer to use delimiter like pipeline or maybe colon. This is colon and this is hyphen. So use these kinds of separators or delimiters. Do not have a lengthy single sentence. Break it with delimiters like pipeline or maybe something else, colon or hyphen. Is that clear, everybody? How to write title? Did you all understand? Yeah. So coming to the description, meta description. So I'll call this as title. Coming to the meta description, I will try using the WIST mediations here. Title also start with the core keyword digital marketing. So here you don't have to use capital letters in the first alpha in every word. Digital marketing training. So I will use best digital marketing training institute. Digital marketing training institute with 100% success rate. Register now or maybe book your slot today for the best digital, for the highest rated digital marketing coaching near you, coaching near you. Near me is the usual word used. I'm just writing near me. And what will I do is I'll add 100% placement assured. Okay, so we have went up to 170 characters. Do not go beyond 170 to 175 characters. So incorporate, the guidelines here is incorporate the missing keywords in your description. Have one call to action. Call to action is asking people to perform actions such as book your slot, register now, call me, slap me, correct? Click now, explore more. You are calling the end user to take an action. That is called as call to action. And have few call out statements. Call out statements, ever heard of it? Call out statement, did we ever discuss call out statement in our previous classes?
Yes, sir.
You all know call out statement, right? So basically
Yes,
that's the
sir.
pain point of the end user that you're serving, or your product or service USP. 100% placement assured, that's the biggest pain point. Nobody is assuring it, and this will make people to click on it. So right, and here you can add ampersand hash 0004. This will give a tick mark. This will become a tick mark before 100% placement assured in HTML. Clear? So in our notes, we have very detailed instructions about how to write titles and descriptions, H1s, content, everything. Yeah, clear? H1 again, use the keywords. Maybe digital marketing course is your primary keyword. You can wrap it with some other terms like best digital marketing course, pipeline, best digital marketing course. Okay. So this can be your H1. H1, try to have less than 6 words or 7 words. Here it is 4 words. Best is 1, digital is 2, 3, 4. Keep it maximum 5 to 6 words and not beyond it. And use only one H1 on your website. These are heading tags in an HTML page. There are up to 6 different heading tags. Of all those heading tags, H1 and H2 stands highest priority, like based on the details or information that goes in the H1 tag. H1 tag is written something like this: H1 slash H1. Basically to make the content look big and bold like this. You see it here. See, this is looking big, right? The font is bigger than any other font, and probably this could be H2 or H3, right? H4 up to, there are 6 different heading tags in HTML. Of all that, H1 and H2 are highest priority. And even this could be H2, and even this could be H2, this could be H3, this could be H3, this could be H3, right? But it's suggested to use H1 and H2 only once on the web page, not to use multiple times on your web page. Okay? Yeah. And finally, you have to make sure that all these keywords, see, now you have written title and description, and in H1 and H2 hardly you can cover 1 or 2 keywords, and sometimes people write H1 and H2 without the keywords. Here also the keyword is being used, but that is not sufficient. There are so many keywords, correct? So in order to cover all these keywords, using these keywords, you're going to develop or write a content, or you can incorporate those keywords anywhere and everywhere on your web page. Wherever there is information or content, you can incorporate them. If you think using those keywords is losing the meaning, you can simply write a content of 300 words to 500 words and add it to your page. This is called as SEO content or keyword optimized content. I'm not disturbing any piece of information or content. I'm not forcefully trying to incorporate my keywords anywhere. You can do that. You can incorporate keywords everywhere on this web page, and you can simply eliminate this piece of content. But we did not forcefully incorporate keywords anywhere here, and we have simply put the content here at the bottom. Because why we have done is we want to keep all this content unique without any city name associated with it, because we are going to display the same content for Chennai, Hyderabad pages also. So we don't want Chennai and Hyderabad to be added anywhere here in between, right? Hence we simply because we reuse all of this top content on all the pages, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. The only change that happens is this information, and what you see at the extreme bottom, this information. If you go to Chennai page, there will be Chennai related content, and title and description, obviously it's going to be related to the respective city. Clear everyone? Okay. See, on the page, if you have images, there is something called as, so see, by looking at this, we understand it's one woman and man, correct? But search engines don't understand this to be as a photo pertaining to men and women. Or let's assume this is mango. We all real people can see it with their eyes and they can understand that it's a mango, but search engines don't understand it's a mango, right? So in those cases, in the image tag, you will have an attribute called rel equal to, sorry, attribute called alt. That alt attribute has to be filled with the name of the image of the product. Okay, here also it's, yeah, alt is empty here. Alt is empty here. But since this is not a mango and I cannot simply write it as men and women, I will rather use digital marketing training. Here the alt is empty, right? I'll be filling this with digital marketing training. That way Google relates this image to digital marketing training. Otherwise, Google will not understand the mango as mango or banana as banana. It understands mango as mango only when the alt text is filled with the respective image name. Mango, banana, pineapple, apple. Yeah. This is all what is covered in your on-page optimization. It's clear, everyone? On page, we are taking care of title, keyword allocation. First thing is keyword allocation, and we are getting these keywords from keyword research using keyword planner. Second step is we are identifying, finalizing the set of keywords for a web page. Third, using the same keywords, we are writing title, we are writing description, we are writing H1, and we are also incorporating those keywords in the content, web page content, correct? We are incorporating all of these keywords on the web page as well. Clear, everybody? And you are also optimizing the image. So now these things, whatever we have done, it's going to change from page to page. If you have a page called Apple on your website, Apple will have all Apple related keywords, Apple related. So anything that you do is applicable only to that particular page. Mango related data is only to mango page and banana to banana. So the work that you have done or the optimization is done page by page, which is unique or specific to that page. It's called as on-page implementation. Anybody has questions? Is that clear for everyone?
Yes.
Clear? Understood? Okay, so if no one has questions, we'll wind it up for today. And in tomorrow's class, we will start with the site level SEO. Yeah?
Okay. Can share the links.
Sorry?
Can share the links.
Mohit, I can't hear you at all. In fact, nobody can hear you, I believe. That it's not clear.
Can share the links.
No, there is disturbance. Your voice is not clear. Please check your mic. Your voice is not clear. So you message me on WhatsApp what is that you are looking for. Okay. Yeah, or you can leave the message here also. Yeah. Competition is low indicates not many people are bidding on those keywords on Google Ads. Below 33, if competition index is 33 and below, the competition is low. Low indicates 66 is below, 66 is medium, above 66 is high. Anyways, you don't have to worry about those numbers. Left side to it already they are clearly giving high, low, medium marking to the keyword. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Cool, then let's wind it up for today. Thanks for your time, everyone.